Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. Welcome, Pakistan International School Thai Virtual Learning System. This lecture is for second year boys and girls Pakistan studies, and you know that we have started chapter 3 and it's your 12th lecture. Chapter 3, in the previous lecture we started chapter 3, geography of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. In this chapter we started and we discussed the location of the Pakistan, we discussed the area of the Pakistan, latitude and the longitude of the Pakistan we discussed, and also we discussed the population of Pakistan. But I told you the population of Pakistan that is in your book written according to 1998 census, and the population which is told in your book 130.58 million. Now the population has increased, and in your book that is written according to 1998 census. Then we discuss the boundaries of the country. We discuss Pakistan shares the longest border with Afghanistan. We discuss Pakistan's neighboring country, Iran, Afghanistan, India, and China. We discussed. Also, I told you a very north, a narrow strip of the Afghan territory named Wakhan, about 20 kilometers, or its narrowest point. Then we discussed the physical features or physical profile, and Pakistan is divided into three major landforms. I told you it can be asked in short question: mountainous region, plateau area, plain. Then we discuss physical division of the land of Pakistan, further division of mountainous region. These are two regions: southwestern mountain region, north mountain region, and the further division of northern mountain. These are Karakoram range and Himalaya range. Then further division of Himalaya range. These are Shivalik range, lesser Himalaya, greater Himalaya. And then we discuss the southwestern mountain region. In western mountain regions are included Cape Thar range, Suleiman range, Waziristan range, Tawat and Chitral Hills, Safedpur range, and northwest mountainous region. These are Hindu Kush range. Then we discuss the seasons of Pakistan. I told you Allah bless Pakistan, a variety of seasons: summer, winter, spring, monsoon. Then we discuss rainfall, coastal area, plain with low land, continental climate, mountainous region with high land, continental climate, and the area of the Balochistan plateau. Then we discuss the temperature zone of Pakistan, four major division or four major zones on the variation or on the basis of temperature variation. These are northwestern mountainous region, upper Indus plain, lower Indus plain, and coastal area, the Balochistan plateau. This was a little review of the previous lecture. Today our topic is imbalanced economic growth and regional disparities. First of all, what is economic growth? Economic growth is an increase in the production of economic goods and services compared one period of time to another. This is the meaning of economic growth. Now, regional disparity means unbalanced, unequal structure in some region or in different regions. Regional disparities are manifested in different condition of life as well as in unequal economic and development potential. Contrast between city and rural areas can be also understood as a form of special disparity. This is the meaning of regional disparity. Imbalanced economic growth, unequal economic growth, not equal economic growth, and regional disparities, differences between the different regions or the different areas or the different province of the country. Enormous disparities are found in our country. A lot of difference between in our country in different region or different province. You know that we have four provinces of Pakistan: Sindh, Balochistan, KPK, and Punjab. These are the four provinces of Pakistan. And if we compare these provinces with each other, so we will observe a lot of differences or imbalanced economic growth and disparities in these provinces. Some of these differences can be natural factors, while other can be ascribed to bad or the poor planning or management of affairs. Now we will discuss these four provinces. First of all, we will discuss the population of provinces. Punjab, 7.36 crore population, Sindh 3.51 crore, the KPK 1.77 population, and Balochistan only 65 lakh population. Now I will tell you that Balochistan is the biggest province area-wise, and it covers about 44% total area of Pakistan. It can be asked in MCQs. Any population of any province. For example, Punjab has how much population? The Punjab, that is 7.36 crore. We underline these points. It can be asked in MCQs, and also the area of Balochistan can be asked in MCQs. It covers 44%, the biggest province of Pakistan, but you can observe here the population is only 65 lakh. That is unequal division of population. First point in the province. Now, of the total area of Pakistan and Punjab, only 26%, the area of Punjab. The area of Punjab is 26%. But if we compare the population, highest population is Punjab, in Punjab. This shows that the population of Pakistan is very unevenly divided, and out of total 23 cities having a population of more than 2 lakh, only one, that is Quetta, is located in Balochistan. Only one out of the 5 most famous or populous cities of the country, that is Karachi, where it is in province of Sindh. The remaining 4 in Punjab, these are Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, and Multan. What are the reasons why these are in these provinces the population is unequally divided and imbalanced division of the population? There are the different reasons why the people they are migrating and they are moving from villages to cities. Of course, there are the different reasons, and due to better living condition, more business facilities, for education facilities, for health facilities, for the better standard of life, it can be. And this trend is creating a lot of social, cultural, economic problem in the big cities, and investment is being diverted only to the urban areas. Health, education facilities are being concentrated only in big cities. Rural areas are falling short of basic life necessities, amenities. Their sense of deprivation is gradually mounting. Commenting on this, an economist, Hamid Shahid, observed that this state of affairs will result in the creation of a few islands of wealth and fluence surrounded by an endless ocean of poverty and privation. This unequal division on the different areas of the country and the different provinces, and the people they are moving from village to cities. So I told you the reason, and one economist observed it, and what he said that the endless ocean of poverty and privation. Now, economists of the old school believe that the disparities or these problems are a natural corollary of the process of economic development, and this is a universal phenomenon. Still, other experts believe that this problem has no shortcut remedy, no solution. It must take time and it cures itself. Modern economists now what they believe and what is their opinion, that problems of urbanization and regional disparities have a permanent nature and are bound to intensify as the process of economic development progress. Former East Pakistan, and you know that when Pakistan came into being 1947, on that time Pakistan had two wings, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. East Pakistan, you know that it's now Bangladesh, and on that time in 1959, East Pakistan is unfortunate example for this imbalanced economic growth and the regional disparities. This is the big example. And the annual per capita income of the province was 32% lower than if we compare to the per capita income of the West Pakistan or the West Wing. In the next 10 years, this difference is increased by another 10%, and also this disparity proved to be the root cause of the province's separation from the rest of Pakistan. This was also the one reason for the separation of this. In order to prevent such ominous incidents from recurring, this tendency needs to be effectively checked or effectively solve this problem, these disparities. According to the latest available statistics, province of Sindh, highest per capita income of that is the province of Sindh. It is 3 times bigger than the KPK one and time, and then the Punjab, and double than that of the Balochistan. These are now we discuss first of all the division of the population, unequal division of the population in 4 provinces. Then we discuss why the people they are moving from villages to cities, and also we discuss the what are the reasons. Now the per capita income that is increased in Sindh, highest per capita income, 3 times bigger than KPK, 1.5 times higher than the Punjab, and double than the Balochistan. Income in the Punjab is double than that of the KPK. In addition to that, imbalance between different parts of each province is also noticeable. For example, the central Punjab is much more prosperous if we compare to the southern Punjab. These areas still backward areas, and same is the position in other provinces. Now this is the reason. This is also the great disequilibrium, lack of stability, not balance, not equal with respect of industrial development. Now we will discuss what is the condition in these provinces industrial wise, industrial development. Also, the industries are installed in some areas of special areas, and the other areas they are still backward areas. Most of the industries where these are installed in province of Sindh, and the main part of the industry is in Sindh. These are Karachi and Hyderabad. Same situation in Punjab. Some industrial cities like Faisalabad, Gujranwala, Shekhupura, Lahore. These are the main center of industries or biggest concentration of industrial units. Remainder of the Punjab has little or no industrial development. Now the same condition Balochistan and the KPK undeveloped developed province if we compare to the province of Sindh and Punjab. Industrially undeveloped, although the government has declared hub. What is the hub? A free tax-free zone. They declare these areas declare in Balochistan and the rule in the NWSP as KPK as a tax-free zone, and have given incentives for setting up industries. Yet these provinces have to cover the long way before they come at par with the Punjab and Sindh. But still the situation is the same, and also in Punjab, some areas they are the developed area for industry wise, and I told you the southern Punjab situation is still the same like other provinces. Provision of basic requirement. Provision of basic requirement has a direct bearing on the economic development referred to as infrastructure. Infrastructure, the basic physical and organization structure and facilities, for example, we can say buildings, roads, power supplies needs for the society, or these are the basic needs of the country. These basic requirements include railway, roadways, telephone, telegraph, television, newspaper, electronic, network, and postal and courier, etc. These are in our case the province and the cities which had better infrastructures made rapid progress in the past in respect of the industrial development and per capita income. Educated and skilled people moved to big cities like Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta, because these cities, the same reason I told you, banks, hospitals, colleges, other education institutions, and offering the better job opportunities. These are the reasons the people they are moving in these areas. Now, feudalism landlord system is important factor responsible for keeping the society backward, illiterate, or in there this feudalism play important role. And all industrialization took place in the urban areas, and agriculture sector made rapid progress in the region where large land holding, Jagidar or feudal system did not exist. For example, Lahore, Sahiwal, Okada, Shekhupura, Gujranwala, Faisalabad district in the Punjab, in the spread of education and prosperity that came in its wake, means losing of checklist of feudalistic hold over the people who are kept like slaves from time immemorial. This is a system, is a type of social and political system in which land holder provide land to their these people or tenants in exchange in their loyalty and service. They are having hold, complete hold these people, and the feudal lord made all possible efforts to put obstacles or problems in the way of prosperity, in the way of development, and did all they could to keep areas under their control as backward, as illiterate, as undeveloped as possible. And other factors that interpose the barrier or hurdles or problems in the way of development or in the way of progress or the prosperity, that is bureaucracy, high government functionaries. Bureaucracy, a system of, you can see, government, a system of government in which most of the important decisions are taken by state officials rather than by the elected representatives. High government functionaries, they provided facilities in the area of their priority, and these were obviously big cities. We know that the country like Pakistan are always faced with budget deficit. To control the budget deficit, restrict inflation, monetary cuts have to be revised. All these history shows that our bureaucracy divide all these development projects were to be carried out the rural areas, and development budget of the areas like Islamabad, Lahore, and Karachi always kept increased. By what is the reason? I told you these are the developed areas, and the role of the bureaucracy in these areas all the time they played important role, and the budget also kept inflating, increased in these areas. This state of affairs may provide explosive for the national life, but the imminent about to happen disaster cannot be averted by taking resources to merely cosmetic remedies. In order to bring about substantial change, what are the solutions? What can be the remedies, and how it can be changed? Comprehensive social and political transformation is required. Number one. Number two, broadening of the economic base of the society will strengthen the deprived classes and weaken the oppressors, and economic development only can be achieved or can only take place in an environment of peace and tranquility. And being a Muslim, we have the best example of Hudaybiyah, the tradition of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and set at Hudaybiyah, and we have the teaching of Quran and Sunnah, The granted all the demands of the opponent, fair, unfair, in order to achieve peace for his people. For his people, the best example of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted all the demands of the opponent, fair or unfair, in order to achieve peace for his people. So students, this topic is enough for today. Imbalanced economic growth and regional disparities. Revise this topic. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.